is Ed Thompson. Welcome to the Evidentia tutorial series. In this tutorial, I want to introduce the Evidentia possibility tree and demonstrate how the cousin tracker can help you with your research. The cousin tracker can be accessed from the menu icon. On the main screen, you have the option of selecting a previous cousin tracker log or creating a new one. The Create Cousin Log screen assumes you know the most recent common ancestor shared by you and your possible cousin. To create a possibility tree, you enter the name of the most recent common ancestor, the name of cousin 1, usually yourself, on the left, and the name of your possible cousin on the right. Next, you will create the direct line between yourself and the most recent common ancestor. Adding a descendant creates a new row below the most recent common ancestor. If you are adding a person that does not exist in your database already, simply input the name, last name first. Hit Enter, and Evidentia will add the person to your subject list. Remember to hit Enter or Evidentia will leave the descendant name blank and odd things can happen. You can add new persons in any of the subject input fields. Select Add a Descendant again, and Evidentia adds a new row under the last person entered. Rows cannot be reordered, so if you forget someone, you will have to delete entries and re-enter them to get everyone in the right order. Once you have a complete direct line between the most recent common ancestor and yourself, repeat the same process for your cousin to complete the possibility tree. Why is it called the possibility tree? Because you are capturing a possible relationship that has not yet been proven. Once you have both lines documented, save your possibility tree, and Evidentia will return you to the main cousin tracker screen. In our next tutorial on the cousin tracker, I will explore the features of the main cousin tracker screen.